Hey guys, to see how I achieve these results, keep watching. I started off on freshly washed hair and I trimmed off most of my damage. It's just a little bit still floating around, especially at the top, but I'm going to show you how I use flexi rods to kind of make it not as noticeable. If you want, you could twist it all the way to the end and then rod it, but I like to leave a little bit left on the ends. I had to flat twist some of the top because it has no curl. I had somewhere to go, so I could not wait for them to dry longer, but I would advise you to let them dry at least overnight or until you are sure they are dry. But I made it work. Be sure to lay them edges and fluff that hair, child, because if not, those spots that you see will stay like that. But you'll see how I make it work, watch. Here are the results. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this.